Good morning, you guys. Might just woke up still. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm super tired. I'm dead still. My hair's still all messy. My work is all over the place still. It's what is. So I have to go get ready. The weather might be looking shit today, so but right now it's pretty good still. So to go get ready, go on the boat, right? And then hopefully do some stuff before the weather gets shitty. So I'm gonna catch you in a little bit. I'm gonna go, do my stuff. But check the view still. Just looking crispy. Crispy. It's looking good still, but yeah. But look at my PJs. I have my PJs, my Dura, my PJs on deck, and that's her PJs. She's putting on my shirt and my pants for PJ. But yeah, you'll see the views. Views on deck. Views on deck. Alright, you guys, what is up? We're back outside still. So right now we're trying to go have some food and get ready. You dig? That's what's up. So the weather, the forecast today, we're looking about give or take 28 degrees, but it's kind of like cloudy, so which is good. It's like the perfect weather. I'm wearing a sweater regardless. It's not humid, it's just cloudy. But later on, it's gonna be very, very. It's gonna be raining. I felt so. I'm gonna take you around. I'm gonna do a thing still. You dig? That's what's up. So we're gonna go eat. I'm gonna see you guys later. Yalla. Oh shit! I don't know. I am holding this.
I'm holding this really.
Yeah. You guys wishing a lot still. Alhamdulillah. Lord of mercy. Hold on. What? Oh. I'll be your host for this closet. If you have any questions or if you'd like me to take your picture, just let me know. Just make sure you guys keep your mask on over the American nose the whole time, please. Oh man! Oh shit!
That's very help me out.
No, I can't do this. I'm done. Thank you. You too. You guys, we did it still. Y'all make sure you guys like and subscribe, yo. I wasn't gonna do that, but I did it for y'all. Dead ass, I did it for y'all. That shit was crazy still. If you definitely come to Niagara Falls, y'all make sure you better do that. Crazy, but good experience. Oh God! But never again. It's a done thing. Wrap. Next up, we're gonna do the boat ride. I don't know how that's gonna go. Whatever. Alright, select. Y'all. white water walk. You feel me? It's just a walk. I'm not sure you guys want to stay in there still. Oh God. Yellow. Alright, you guys, welcome to the Frozen Zone. Welcome to Frozen 3. Frozen 3 on deck. You already know what I'm gonna do for this. Wish me luck. I believe in my luck. Alright, so that's what it looks like. It's kind of cold though. It's very cold. Oh. Yeah, it is cold. Alright, so right now we're in the white walks. So if you guys come to Niagara Falls, make sure y'all do the white walk. Take the whole package pretty much. So that includes the white walk. You also include the whirlpool, which that's what we did just earlier. That's scary shit, but maybe some of you wouldn't find that scary, but I found it really scary. We're like 200 feet above the water, so that was super scary. I'm never gonna do that again for sure. I'm done. Like, check off the bucket list. But you guys, I would recommend you guys doing it and then do this. It's not super expensive. It's about $30 per person. So for kids, it's about up to maybe $17. So kids under 13, it's about $17. So y'all, I would definitely recommend y'all to do that. But right now we're underground, so that's where the white walk is. It's pretty though. Like the water, the currents are very, very, very strong. You feel me? But it's pretty nice though. Good activities. Come with the family, come with your girlfriend or whatever, your homies and stuff. Definitely, y'all should definitely come here. It's proper. Right now we're going like all the way at the bottom. The bottom is epic. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, check the views. I'm literally next to the falls. Literally. Like, man's can't even swim, but I'm literally next to the falls. So if I can do it, y'all definitely can do it. Alright, let me show y'all. See what I mean? Boom. Like all right next to the falls. Alright, you guys, here's the moment you have been waiting for still. So we're finally going on the boat. Okay. So y'all see. It's gonna be epic still. I ain't gonna lie. I'm kinda like excited and nervous at the same time. But I'm doing this for y'all. Oh God, I'm doing this for y'all. The falls are freaking wet though, so just wish me luck. I'll make it out. Y'all better subscribe. No cap. Y'all better subscribe. No cap. And make sure y'all push that like button for sure. Right? Shit. Oh damn. Alright, check this out. Stuff. Oh, shit. To be honest with y'all, I don't really know what's gonna happen, but the boat seems shaky. I'm gonna get back to y'all still. like get you guys a good view. So over here we do have the American Falls. But we as Canadians, we do have the best view. It's kind of rainy, not raining, but it's like up the fall. It's super rainy there. It is very rainy, so we'll have to turn this off. I'm asking you guys, alright, it's super rainy. Alright, so like I was saying, check how windy it is. My whole screen camera is all raining. I didn't bring my camera, I brought my cell phone. But like, yo, y'all can barely see me. The first time I'm actually here, I don't think I'm ever gonna come back, but hey, it's fucking chill. You guys supported live from Niagara Falls still. God, yo, I'm doing this for y'all. Like, I'm so sorry if the video isn't that great of a quality, but yo, I'm doing my best. To be honest with you guys, before it's crazy because you've never been to Niagara Falls. This side is the Canadian side, so this is the wholesale side. Alright? So there you go, guys. I'm doing this for y'all. Imagine I'm good. Y'all seen that? It's mad. I hope y'all love it. Alright, this is for you guys. So right in the middle. I told you guys this before. From our hotel, which is just over there. I'm jumping the wall. So, I hope you guys enjoy the view. Like Sweeterman said, views on views. Once this is done, I ain't coming back. Alright, if you've never been to Niagara Falls, well, there you go. So we're on the Canadian side of it. Expect. So we're doing it 360. Then we're gonna go back. So y'all make sure you guys subscribe, like. I'm probably gonna be doing more stuff like this for y'all. Alright? Enjoy the view. Views on views.
Entrees, snacks, and
You guys
sweets.
got in on the
On
boat,
behalf
right?
of Captain and crew, thank you for sailing with Commodore Niagara
So
Cruises.
make sure y'all like, subscribe for more of this. It was epic. I told you recommend y'all coming here to check. Even if you're in the States or Canada or wherever you are, coming to visit, make sure you come through. Take the boat ride. That's like your number one priority coming to Niagara Falls. Like, check the views. That's American. I have there. So for sure, make sure y'all do come to Niagara. If you're coming, make sure y'all do the boat right. Alright, make sure you follow your man on Instagram. The Sweeterman Show and X_Sweeterman. Also follow the giveaway. I'm gonna put all the instructions in the description below. Alright? I'm gonna see you in a bit. So we're going on the next activity, which I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. Y'all. You guys check the lineup still. Lineup is epic. I believe the Americans, they're way longer than this. Because of COVID, the lineup is so epic. So when you come here, make sure you come on time. If not, you're not gonna make it on the boat still. Dead ass. Better come on time and take the buses.